Kani Gadega Pati CTV.
Hanen kasngi kasantarek Urisa, ulat kajala Vishan Muganathan, ula play padaya kajakai lekai basketball, kabatmai kabalatep kum ka fiberglass basketball court, hakas kol paimon. Hagani kasngi laidon langru Commissioner and Secretary katnat Education uba DP Walang, kumjo Director katnat Social Welfare uba HM Changpliang, ka Principal jong ka school ikong ayam kasiar dingdo, kinang hikai kikimik pa jong katnat school mat kiwe kibala sakot soba. Habakran hakajelang Vishan Muganathan, ulapun pa bakalong kabadan kam nakabenta banyo ekamet kaphat bat kabor perkhat kabaklan. Yaki kena kenang bakindan yakamen siam bantrish tam hakajing puli jongki pada kajuk opor bakin long ru kibadan akor. Ulat kajela ula kentu yaki niki kena bakidai ban penmelian ilade banisim mentah hakajing lekai. Kenang bakin yo ekamet kabasat baklan bat kumjo kabor perkhat kabaklan. Hakani sengi ki kena jongani ke skol klesim mentah hakidril baper Rengkat ke match pass, hakabala syam ya kasaliut daulat kejela. Belasam lu iki kusnam sikinong job hakiji ko baper.
Comprising of 3 streams, humanities, science and commerce. Approaching the saluting base is the Commander Alice M. Ranja, Plakat Bearer Iba Shisha Morbanyang, Flag Bearer Odalana Lingspor. Following our Class 11, Plakat Bearer Tiara Disin, Commander Roxanne Teoling Siartongri, Flag Bearer Rondre Saka Waipala. The school has been following a house system for quite a number of years to foster healthy competition and a sense of belonging. These 4 houses are named after 4 retired headmistresses. Each house has its own color. Holly House in blue, named after Miss Holly. Miles House in red, after Miss Miles. Neil House in green, after Miss Neil. Bulldogs, Plakat Bearer, Abia Wada, Commander Sonia Shah, Lord in helping people in natural calamities and in helping the poor people with food and clothing. Please give them a big hand.
Honest citizens. That is the need of the hour. So, finally, I am just concluding and I am going to basketball court. Before that, you have to repeat this slogan. I will be the honest citizen of India. And this should be concluding a little longer. I will be the honest citizen of India. I will never be a dishonest man. I will never be a dishonest woman. Honesty is the need of the hour. This is the message of Governor. Thank you. Happy? Oh!
Kani Gadega Pati CTV.